A very warm welcome to all the students of ABBHS High School, Lunavla. Standard 5th, Subject English Balbharti. Good morning, students. Today's lesson number 8. Actually, it is not lesson, but it is an activity. What is the name of the lesson, or we can say activity? Yes, peer profile. First, let me tell you, what do you mean by peer? Peer. Peer means a person of the same age as you. If you are in standard 5th, so who will be your peer? Yes, students from your class. That is standard 5th. Now you all understood what is mean by peer. Good. Then tell me, what do you mean by profile? Profile. Profile means a short description of someone. Now children, open your English Balbharti textbook. Here on page number 19 of your textbook, here are some points mentioned. That same point, that same peer profile page we have to prepare. So in that peer profile page, what points are there? Just see it. Page number 19. Here first given my name. Here is a one girl, Anisha Ambekar. She has written her peer profile and that we are going to read it. First point, my name, Anisha Kishore Ambekar. At home they call me Sona. My friends call me Nisha. Some of the things I enjoy: swimming, ice cream, and likes to eat ice cream. Some of the things I appreciate: music and good handwriting. Some of the things I fear: a mouse and a singing in front of the class. Same like fear you also have, children. Yes. Next, some of the things I have to do: get up early in the morning. Some of the things I will never do: tell a lie to my mother. Some of my good habits: brushing teeth twice in a day. Some of my bad habits: stuffing my clothes in the cupboard without folding them. My favorite personality: Mahendra Singh Dhoni. What I like most about this person: he is a good captain. So according to Anisha, here is her profile page. After filling all, she did her sign at the end of this page. Children, same similar page you have to prepare for yourself with a neat handwriting, so you can read or your friend can read it properly. Here one empty profile page I have prepared for you. Like this way you have to write it down in your notebook. My name, at home they call me, think I enjoy. These all points which we discussed on this page number 19. Got it, children? So you have to prepare a similar sheet with a neat handwriting so that your friends can read it. Now write the same points, but remember, you don't have to fill the answer. So how many copies you have to make? At least 3 for now, because at present you all are at home. When you will be back to school, that time we will do this activity in the class. While preparing this sheet, Make sure you don't have to write the answer. Again, I am telling you, don't have to write the answer. Empty sheets you have to prepare it. Then this empty sheet, give it to your friends when you will meet them. For now, you can, for now in this lockdown time, you can show or same sheet you can give to your family member, so they can fill it. Got it, children? After you have collected the fill-in sheets from your friends and family member, go through all of them and make notes of each of the points. Use the notes to write a report about your friends or family member, their likes, dislikes, habits, favorite personalities, etc. You can present your report orally or in writing. Remember the following things when you make a written or oral presentation. First one, you need not mention the names of your friends in your presentation. You should only give a summary of what you observe in the responses given by many people. First, you have to remember you need not mention the name of your friends, and you have to give responses like many people like. For example, many people's favorite personality are cricketers, like this way. Next, your presentation should clearly show what many or most people enjoy, appreciate, fear, etc. What only some of them mention and what only one or two mention. Got it? Next, if necessary, you may point out what is not mentioned by any of the people. For example, you may say, it appears that nobody is afraid of examination, as no one has included them in the things they fear. Got it? Next one, you should also mention what you found most interesting in the responses at the end of your presentation. You must take care to see that you do not hurt anyone's feeling when you get the sheets filled or when you make your presentation. Okay, got it, children? Here, children, do's and don'ts while preparing a report on peer profile I have given. Follow these points while preparing profile report. First, sentences should be up to the point and precise. Second, too much of description is not required. Third, what is not mentioned should be pointed out. Fourth, presentation should be clear. Fifth, statement and emotion should not be hurt. Sixth, personal remarks should be avoided. Seventh, interesting point should be mentioned at the end. Got it, children? So that's all for the today. Try this activity and share it to your respective class WhatsApp group. Thank you, children. Take care and keep learning something new.